Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you this amazing dashcam. It's a NuCam AW 1080p 60p Full HD Wi-Fi dashcam. I hope you like this video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, let's have a look what's in the box. There you have it guys, NuCam AW video recorder. You'll need the mobile app, few specs. Please note this camera records in 1080p 60fps, not 1296p. It has the Umbrella chipset, the new one, the A7 LS75, Wi-Fi connectivity, G sensor, built-in microphone, supports up to 64 gigs SD card, low light capability, and has a field of view of 160 degrees. I'll show in a minute the app you need to work with this dashcam. Let's have a look at the camera itself. It's a very small camera, very stealth and discreet. There you go, looks good. Comes with a permanent adhesive mount. It rotates 360 degrees. Just a speaker, I think. It has a on-off button and a video button. Stop and stop recording, I believe. There's a reset button and a recording and charging LED. On this side, he has the on-off Wi-Fi switch, and it worth mentioning that this camera comes with a 32 gigs SD card. Like I said before, this is a very discreet camera. The quality looks good, it's plastic of course, but it's very light, small, as you can see. I like it. What else can we find in the box? Let's have a look. Oh, it comes with another adhesive mount, charger, a suction cup mount, and a USB lead. It's a mini USB. What's this? Some pamphlet with some other new vending products. There's the camera. Have a look at their Amazon store. I'm sure you'll find more products you like. Okay. And comes of course with a user manual. Pause if you need to have a quick read. If you don't want to use the permanent mount, you can swap it with the suction cup, just in case if you like to remove the camera or have the camera in different cars. Okay, enough of this. Let's have a look at some footage. Play the tape in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is me on the traffic jam. As you can see, by the time it was getting a bit darker. Nevertheless, the quality, it's pretty good in my opinion, of course. I'm going to pause the video just to try to get a license plate so you can see the quality. As you can see, the detail is there. You can see 3 cars, 3 plates. If you have the car on the left, you'll see that one as well. It does look like 60 FPS do make the difference. There you go guys, some details about the file. As you can see, it's a 1080p file, 60 FPS. I will join another clip shortly. Let me fast forward the video a bit. clip will join shortly. Listen to the sound. There you go, another clip. No footage was lost, which is always a good thing, of course. Now to the service station. Please note the sign details. You can almost read everything. Okay, time for some night footage. I'll let you guys decide if you like it or not. I like it. It was pretty dark by then. This is a very well lit road, but nevertheless, I don't think it's weird. The view angle, 160 degrees, I believe. As you can tell, it picks up 7 lanes. Okay, now the direct sunlight test. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you like the quality of the footage. Okay, another test. Now let's test the internal camera microphone. So what you're hearing now is the sound picked from camera's microphone. At the moment I've got my window open. Let me close the window. Now with the window closed, this is how it sounds like. I'm going to indicate left. I hope the camera picked up the sound of the indicator. Let me show you the mobile app now. So pretty standard, do a search for Wi-Fi networks. You find the AMBA C77722, password is 120, and the app is called Link in Eyes. So in the app you have a live feed from the camera. You'll see the date, time, resolution. At the bottom you have a button to see the media on the card, and then you can download it directly to your phone. All the settings in this camera are controlled by the app. Let me show you really quick what you can do. You can pick the resolution of the video, photo, date stamp, video quality, etc. You can also choose how long you want your clips to be. 1 to 5 minutes. And basically that's it. Oh, and of course you can also take pictures with this camera. Let me show you guys the HDR 1080p 30 fps. How does it look like? If you want to have a look, there's a link in the description for this camera. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.